Optative sentences are a fascinating aspect of English grammar, expressing wishes, prayers, or desires. They often begin with may or would and typically end with an exclamation mark. For example, when someone says, "May you have a prosperous year," they are expressing a heartfelt wish. Now, let's dive into the rules governing optative sentences, particularly when converting them from direct to indirect speech. First, consider the first type of optative sentence. If the reported speech starts with may or includes a prayer, especially when the word God is mentioned, we replace said to in the reporting speech with prayed. Additionally, may changes to might. For instance, if a father says, "May my son live long," in reported speech we would say, "The father prayed that his son might live long." Another example, if someone says, "May God forgive us our sins," we convert it to, "They prayed that God might forgive them their sins." Notice how when we use prayed, we drop the object of the reporting speech. So, if my friend says, "May God help you," we report it as, "My friend prayed that God might help me." This transformation emphasizes the wishful nature of the original statement. Now, let's explore the second type of optative sentence. If the reported speech begins with would that, we replace said to with wished. For example, if we say to someone, "Would that you were with us during our visit to London," in reported speech, it becomes, "We wished that he had been with us during our visit to London." This structure conveys a longing for a different reality, highlighting the emotional depth of our wishes. Understanding these rules not only enhances our grasp of English grammar, but also enriches our ability to express our desires and hopes more eloquently. Optative sentences allow us to convey our innermost wishes, whether they are for ourselves or for others. So, the next time you want to express a wish, remember the power of optative sentences and how they can transform your expressions into heartfelt prayers or desires. Embrace the beauty of language and the nuances that come with it.